in the Steen house.
Then your body registers it as something not cement. It's real interesting. Yeah.
All of these details.
Interesting for so one of the most difficult spots all over walls or horizontal surfaces, especially exterior. Oh my God! Right, it's you're asking for a lot.
I love how this
And
ceiling
the other place is
shelters
the
this room,
base of benches. See that where?
and then the light comes in
And this
from
bench
low
hardly gets
from
used.
both
So
sides.
someplace like in the kitchen, where it's used, we've tried linseed oil, we've done rocks, nothing less than cement plaster doesn't even last up if it's just a thin plaster. Has to be solid, right? So it's
So it's
works
the
so
wear.
hard.
What's
The wear, people aren't conscious of their feet and their boots, and it kicks and it chips, and it's that motion that just erodes the base of that.
Oh, we're gonna get one of these in our house.
Doing benches, because I grew up in New Mexico, so I love the built-in furniture. But this is the hardest place. So now we either cement up.